Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word flapper in depth. First, the definition. Flapper means a fashionable young woman in the 1920s known for unconventional style and behavior. Think of it simply as a rebellious partygoer with a distinctive dress and bob haircut. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Flapper traces back to the early 1900s and became popular during the 1920s Cultural Revolution. Over time, it's been used by societies celebrating new freedoms for women. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use flapper in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The flapper danced energetically at the jazz club, defying the era's traditional norms. Correct example 2. She admired the flapper style in old photographs from her grandmother's youth. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to flapper my way through the math test, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using flapper correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Flapper means a fashionable young woman in the 1920s known for unconventional style and behavior. It comes from early 1900s English, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with flapper down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.